Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to see Betterment centers in AP. First, navigate to the official Andhra Pradesh government website. This is your primary resource for accurate information. Once there, locate the Departments or Services section. These areas typically list various government functions and initiatives. Identify the specific department responsible for the type of Betterment center you are seeking. This initial step is crucial for narrowing your search effectively. After identifying the relevant department, utilize the website's search bar. Enter keywords such as Betterment centers or development projects to find specific pages. Many departments have dedicated sections outlining their initiatives and locations. If direct information is scarce, look for a Contact Us or Grievance Redressal section. These can provide contact details for officials who can guide you further. Remember, persistence in navigation is key. If online resources are insufficient, consider alternative information channels. Local government offices, like Gram Panchayats, often have details on community-level projects. Public information portals or government helplines can also offer valuable assistance and direct you to the right sources. Engaging with local community groups or non-governmental organizations might also provide insights, as they are often involved in or aware of local development initiatives. These avenues can offer a more localized perspective. When contacting officials, prepare specific questions about the type and location of Betterment centers you are interested in. Clear communication helps them provide accurate information. Always follow up on any leads or contact details you receive to ensure you get the full picture. And hey, while you're improving your surroundings, why not improve your car's atmosphere too? Check the description for a link to Little Trees, Black Ice, and other great deals. Your support helps us create more helpful content like this. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.